I must say, I wish Airstream would have added this fan to the Airstreams instead of the Fantastic Fan. The Fantastic Fan is fantastic, confusing in many ways to many folks, us included when we first got it. And I'd wanted to do this upgrade for a while, and I know they have changed these fans to in the recent models, but this deluxe fan with a remote is so great. Now, the remote is not very necessary. It's more necessary in fifth wheels and things like that because you can't reach the ceiling, but in here you can touch all the controls here. But it is very nice to be able to set the temperature, and it speeds up and slows down as necessary. It's very, very cool boondocking, particularly when it's raining, because you can have the fan on and it doesn't blow in and doesn't get stopped, doesn't close itself when it's humid in here and moisture's blowing around. So, because we had that happen a number of times on the Fantastic Fan, just from us breathing in here at night, all the humidity would collect up on the lid and fall down and hit the moisture sensor, and it would close itself. Or if it was foggy or something like that, it'd close itself. Now, I appreciate, I very much appreciate that it closes itself when it gets wet, but it became annoying on a number of occasions for us. So this fan had it done at Master Applied Coatings in Tallahassee. Theron put it on for me. They just happened to have one while I was there, and I'm sorry I haven't done a review on it yet, but MaxxAir MaxxFan Deluxe, you have won the game. And for any of you out there, you can buy yours on Amazon. There'll be a link down below. I really think this is a game changer from a fan perspective. A couple things. You have a remote, which is neat, goes out and in. You can suck air in or blow it out. So if you had something going on in here, like you're cooking, you could turn your shower and your bathroom fans on blowing out. You could pull this in and it would just circulate air through here. If you don't have the second air condition option, you can put one of these in both holes and you can pull air in one and blow out the other. There's a myriad of things you can do, but I really like having it, being able to have it on while it's raining. And the cover, you can buy those covers that go over the standard fan, but they always stick up, and I just don't like the way they look. This thing is low profile outside. It does hang over the back hump here just a hair, so you need to wash underneath that. That's one drawback to that, to it being back here. You need to wash underneath it because it really doesn't get any rain on it. So dust and things like that do settle underneath the overhang part. And getting in there to clean it is not super difficult. You can still pop this screen off pretty easy. You can pull your fan down pretty easy. But all in all, I think this is one wonderful upgrade that we have done and thoroughly enjoyed it in this boondocking season we've been in. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day. How's your fan experience been, Blair? You got nothing to say about the fan?
I don't want to be on camera.